watsela chikinyeka punch one wakhalimela.
Bafowethu Izoboi Mabonyoko, the first guy to get 91 million views on YouTube in why easy? No sort of really power. Guess what? We are here in Urban Music Awards. First time to celebrate 20th anniversary, and it's celebrated here in South Africa, Mohatfield Arena, Pretoria, Wantalwanya. So guys, stay tuned. We're gonna interview many artists to tell us about the experience and the vibe here, what's going on. You know the vibes. Every day. You know the vibes. Izoboi Mabonyoko, the first guy to get 91 million views on YouTube in 1 hour. No so give you power. Give you little Biri Maru, Ariye. I want the Maru. Hello, Mafetu. So, le karata ring to defend Alena. Currently, we now are to live so it's because of them, voting and everything. Le karata ring, Mafetu.
Mafetu. Now one thing, kanagare dangi DJ Maporesa, dangi Frotman Zaga, Zago Workshop, Westside Garage, Brazil. Wait, why?
Guys, negele da.
Brachopa. Yeah, the Frotman Sabai.
Thanks a lot. Over to you, my guy.
Ololo defense arena la easy Peter 012 ke arena eki kasi skrepenyi DJ Gari Sister DJ Hortman DJ Pori Buscos Mapuma Vocalistics Jagonka Cowboy to hoteloreng like mo pinanya Birimaru maputile effort ingele rena fela ngesa fitlhe mo lengo tengwe tsa braka defense arena la easy ololo ke ala la 669 wrong right. Thank you, Bafetu. Re
bo botlhe on this award. Bafetu ra leboa support le na le feeling Mafetu ba. Le ka moso le re fela bia because they are about to drop new songs, new collaborations and everything. Mafetu, a re sa re Biri Maru. Ke award Maru. Red carpet Maru. Ololo, Izoboi Mabonyoko, the first guy to get 91 million views on YouTube in 1 hour. Red carpet levels. Ke tsamaya le mang on my side.
Izoboi Manizi CBD kamo
ke tsamaya le mang?
Master Queens,
le Manizi. Mafetu, we are here in Urban Music Awards. Red carpet senza kama simba lentele every day. So Mafetu ke nyoko itse lena le tlo irang mo le bya keng and let's make lo bona eng and everything.
fashion le monati, we have to have fun, untwara le mo tsela style le mo level music, utlwele music and have more fun. Yes.
we are here recluding the music but we are like winning awards and stuff, so yeah.
Name of it to shout out more. Can you say about your guys' drip? What inspired it? Who designed it and everything?
Nage inspire Master Queens, you know, from my hood to the urban Ratela, one way, one twat. When I'm rocking on my own way, one twat, my easy style.
What inspired your outfit and who designed it and everything?
Can nage designing outfit one twat. So and I be like isanya go design la batu like baba buy the artist buy one twat. So yeah, give here one twat. So far
if you were to describe this whole vibe with 2 words, guys. Costly 2 words. What would it be?
Very much Mabonyoko. The whole thing, one twat is happening, guys. Thank you.
Mabonyoko.
Izoboi Mabonyoko, the first guy to get 91 million views on YouTube in 1 hour. No so you will like a power. You know the vibes. Agi one kenale.
Portia, Mrs. South Africa semi-finalist for 2025.
Yeah. So far, how many awards have you won?
Awards?
Yeah.
None. I haven't won any awards. Yeah.
Like, how do you feel being you?
Well, it feels great to be me. As you can see, I'm a very powerful woman. I'm living in my purpose. So yeah, it feels really great.
For people that are looking up to you, what can you say to them?
Okay, for people who are looking up to me, I would say that you must stay authentic to your own story and follow your dreams. It's never too late to follow your dreams.
So if you were to describe like this whole vibe with 2 words, what would it be?
It would be fantastic and great.
So about your outfit, tell me who designed it and what inspired it?
So I'm someone who actually loves glitz and glam, but I wanted something also with a little bit of elegance. So this actually I bought it from YDE, and when I saw it, I was like, this is the one. This is the one. Yeah.
And I have this beautiful lady next to me. My sister, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. You look beautiful, by the way, today.
You too. You look
Obviously. So please tell me, you are the team of Mawelele. So how do you feel receiving this award since you guys are working together and everything?
I feel proud being on stage receiving this award because he really deserves it and he's doing amazing. So yeah, I'm super proud.
Bafowethu siyabonga for voting, you know. But this award is very beautiful. It looks like you and Mawelele. Bafowethu, keep on supporting us. Keep on supporting. Hello Bafowethu, we are here. We are back again. More Urban Music Awards. Lantalwane ke Mabonyo got the first guy to get 91 million views on YouTube in 1 hour. Red carpet levels. Akitsamaki one this time kitsamaya le mang.
Utsamali terminology. Mr. Mawaza. I'm one of the biggest hip hop artists right now. If you don't know me, you're about to find out. Let's get it.
Don't find out. So were you part of the nominees?
No, I wasn't part of the nominees. Today, I'm just here to see other artists and get to know more about the Urban Music Awards because it's my first time hearing about it and I'm excited about it. I've seen some of the legends get awards and it's super exciting for me.
So far, the person that you were wishing for the person to win, did the person win? And who's that person?
The person is pretty ugly, man. I'm a huge fan and I saw him collect a couple of awards and I was like, damn, that's what I'm talking about. Let's get it. Hip hop representing. Proverb also took an award, man, and that's good for the culture, bro. Also shout out to 25K, man.
25K, Hila Kate Hombela. So if you were supposed to describe the whole vibe here with one word, what would it be?
Monate.
Monate, guys. Rumo Pitori, Hatfield Arena Pitori. Because her terminology. Mtaya the hottest hip hop artist right now. If you don't know the person, you are clearly missing out. So please tell us about your drip, your outfit, and everything. What inspired it?
No, man, the outfit, man, was inspired by Timmy Touch Talents. They're the guys that dress me all the time. And they said it's the awards. You gotta look formal, you gotta look nice and crispy. And they did the things, man. And we're here today, man.
Bafowethu, Laizi, he interviewed earlier on. Now he's back again with 2 awards. My guy, how do you feel about that?
Come on, dog. I'm feeling good, dog. Mudimo Moholo. We came here, dog. We came here with a few nominations. Gatote Best, what is this? Hip Hop Artist of the Year and Best Hip Hop Act. I didn't even know I was nominated for Artist of the Year. So to win it, man, I'm humbled though.
When you see this guy, just be inspired. Work hard, work smart, like bros. Push on, guys. For some people who are like they look up to you. What can you say to them?
Man, let's go for like a pelo, dog. Like rapelamba fueto. Keep working on your craft. Keep improving. Don't expect any favors, Joe. You know, I get like a lot of guys, like a lot of young artists. Mang DM, yo, go feature. Nah, I've been in the industry for 17 years. I never had to ask for a feature. When I spana, Joe, how can spana roko pana?
Thank you.
Don't worry about the feature. You know, put in the work. When the work is there, us, bro, now we're gonna come to you. So come on, let's go.
I hope thank you for supporting. Thanks for voting and everything. Shout out to Urban Music Awards. The first guy to get 91 million views on YouTube in 1 hour. I come back again. This time I'm with the GOAT. 25K. I'm inspired. Like I don't know, I'm speechless. But for since you won the award, how do you feel?
I feel good. I mean, hometown, no, it's 012, Narabalaba 012, Antwara. So, when you make music, Antwara, you don't really expect much. You're just sharing your story to the masses, Antwara. So when they give you your flowers, it always makes you feel good, Antwara. But
I'm giving you your flowers right now. You're a star, a superstar, a star icon. So from now on, on your next project,
I won't lie. I feel like I've worked with most people, but 2 individuals I feel like I need to log in with right now. Okay, Questa, the KO.
Okay, but first, shout out to Questa and KO. When are you dropping, basically?
Hey Joe, I'm still rolling out my album, Loyal to the Plug. More music from myself, more videos. So look out for that on Twara. I'm not gonna say much. 2025, 25K. 2025K Bafowethu. Can you please say shout out to Mzansi Ras? Shout out to Mzansi Ras, and Alama Bonyo, the racist car.